kitchen, guys, giving you your favorite dishes. But anyway, I have some chicken breasts, and you know what I mean, this chicken breast that we're gonna do some grilled chicken breast, and then we're gonna finish it off in the oven for about another 5 to 6 minutes. Hopefully you guys like the recipe. Subscribe to the channel and please leave your comments. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo cooking show. We got a lot more recipe coming out for you guys. Thank you so much, and hopefully you will like the recipe and subscribe to the channel. See you next time. Bye bye. Nice, I love this. So right here I got 4 pieces of chicken breast. I just washed them off into some lemon juice. Basically what we're gonna do, we're gonna pop a little bit of pepper and season on it. First of all, a little bit of coarse pepper. That's what you wanna do. I got a little bit of chicken season. Nice one. And also a little bit of paprika, why not? Give it some flavor and some color. A little bit of all-purpose season, and that's it. No more season, guys. Then simple pop some either vegetable oil or olive oil on it like this. Put on the gloves and marinate it just like this, just to get it rubbed up with that lovely season all over it. So you want to get some of the flavor in the chicken. So basically what I want to simply say to you, you don't have to do this the same day. You know what you can do? You can do it from the day before and get it marinated really nice and make it get soaked. Alright? Well, lovely. That's it. Then what we're going to do now, we're going to show you how you can grill this. Nice and lovely. So right here I have a grill pan of roughly about 20 minutes now on the stove on a medium sized heat. Pretty little bit hot. So basically what we're going to do, we're gonna pop it on, no oil, just like this, and just like this, and just like this. Don't put any oil inside of the grill. Honestly, you don't even have to put anything else inside of it. Basically, you can see exactly what I'm doing right here. Then turn it over like this, like this, like this, like this. So what happened now? You're getting all of those grilled flavors straight inside of the chicken breast with the season inside of it. Is amazing recipe, guys. And lovely. So as you can see, now if I pick up this one, look at this, and look at this, and look at this. That is exactly what we are looking for. So basically we're going to take this one and put it inside of a oven tray with a piece of a greaseproof paper. That one. So we need to get this one done. Nice and lovely. This one is the last one, and look at that beautiful mark. So now that is finished, and I'm gonna turn off my stove. Lovely and nice. So right here, that's the chicken breast right here. So basically what you're gonna do now is to put this inside of the oven for roughly about 15 minutes inside of the oven. And after you put it in the oven, gas mark 6 or 7 is good. If you use a different kind of oven, at 165 is good for 20 minutes. Alright, enjoy the recipe, guys. Nice and lovely. I just take it from the oven and look at that. 15 minutes inside of the oven, this grilled chicken breast. So now we're gonna share it out and make you guys see exactly what we are about with this lovely grilled chicken breast. Enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching the cooking show. See you next time. Bye bye.